Do you want to become profitable in 5 days? Join the Surefire 5-Day Profit Challenge. It's 5 days of live trading with the only 3-time world forex trading champion. This could easily be the most important time in your life because over the course of 5 days they are going to work closely together toward one single goal. To get you, and keep you, making money by trading. You will get access to some of the most coveted tools in trading and the expertise of the only 3-time world trading champion Toshko Raychev along with other experts. Here's just some of what they will give you over those 5 days to ensure your success. Daily live trade coaching and training in the Champ's Trade Command Center where you can model all of his live trades as they happen. Toshko shares every move he makes, how he makes them, and his personal 97% winning trade management. Additional access to the private Facebook group packed full of extra information, tips, and trading hacks. $500 per day in challenge prizes. As well as thousands of dollars in prizes over the course of the challenge. Along with huge bonuses, including the system that gave Toshko Raychev his first World Forex Trading Championship win with a 1-week gain of 651%. 5 specific pre-challenge trainings with Toshko and special VIP guest traders to prepare you to win. Toshko's personal daily recommendations and evaluation of your trades. He'll break down your trades, the winners and the losers, which will help you blast past mistakes to make better profitable trades even faster. But that's not all. 3 lucky home traders will win the Challenge Championship package, worth over $11,000. Are you ready to learn from the best and make more money? If you answered yes, then step up to the challenge and hit the link to join. The best way to make money is by learning from the experts. You won't find an opportunity like this anywhere else. Register for the Surefire 5-Day Profit Challenge now while spots are still available. Nothing can stop you from succeeding but yourself, so what are you waiting for? Register today.